Hey everyone, welcome back to Aetherstack AI. Here we are now to discuss about lesson 4 in week 2. Last lesson you learned which AI to use. Today how to actually talk to AI to get great answers. Let's go and discuss each and everything inside ChatGPT. Watch this. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for a story. So what is the prompt that we are going to give and specific about the topic? So first let us give an normal prompt so that we call as a bad prompt. Write me a story. So when we look at the results, is it a garbage or generic and it's forgettable? Now let's give some specific prompt that we need specific about a story. Write a story, 200-word story about a Mumbai techie who discovers their morning chai stall owners is secretly an AI researcher. So, and the mood of the story should be warm and unexpected and style like a short film opening scene. Same AI, different prompt, completely different result. That's prompt engineering. And today you are learning the rules that separate hobbyists from pros. Why prompts matter the most? Here is the truth. AI does not read your mind, it reads your words. The better the prompt, the better the output. Real fact, 90% of AI is overrated. Complaints come from bad prompts. The AI is not the problem. The instruction is garbage in, garbage out. The prompt that we are giving to the AI is the output that we are getting from the AI. So indirectly, it is nothing but the garbage that we are giving to AI, the garbage that comes out from the AI. Now let's see what are the four rules that we should remember while giving an prompt and memorize these rules when you are giving a prompt to an AI. Rule number one, be specific to the topic. Rule number two, give context about the topic. Rule three, define the format. Rule four, show examples or give examples about the topic, how you are expecting and what it should be and how it should look like. Most people violate all four. They type, summarize this article, and wonder why the result is mid. Today, we fix that one rule at a time. Now, coming to rule number one, be specific to the topic. What's the difference between bad prompt and a good prompt? How does A gives us the result when we are being specific to the topic? First, coming to the bad prompt, write about marketing. So when you observe the result, it is generic, useless. A guesses what you want and usually gets it wrong. Now let's go to the good prompt. Write three LinkedIn post hooks for a SaaS founder targeting startup CTOs about using AI for code reviews. The tone should be bold and contrain. And now if you observe the difference between the result difference between both, the AI now knows who you are talking to, what topic and what style. Specificity equals equality always. Now coming to rule number two, give context. So now let's see what's the first bad prompt that we are. Write a follow-up mail. So write a follow-up mail does not have any information what the mail should be about, whom we are going to send the mail about. So it's a generic mush. When it comes to a good prompt, write a follow-up mail and the background about the mail is I'm a freelancer designer. I sent a proposal 5 days ago for a 50,000 rupee logo project. They said they had responded by Tuesday. It's Friday, and the tone of the mail should be professional but slightly nudging. The main goal of the mail should be get them responded to by Monday. Now see the difference. Context turns A from generic writer into your personal writer. Always includes who you are, what you have done, what you want next. Now coming to rule 3. Define the format. A defaults to walls of text. You do not want that. Tell it the format you want. Give me 5 bullet points. Format as a table with columns, topic, why it matters. Example, output as a JSON with keys, title, summary, tags. So observing the difference between these three outputs, outputs of the prompts, specifying format saves you hours of cleanup. It's the most underrated trick in the prompt engineering. Now coming to rule number 4, show examples. This is a secret weapon. Most people do not do this. But AI writes 10 times better when you show it what you want. Like this. So let's take an example. Write three product taglines for a budget Indian Airlines style. Like these examples. Fly the friendly skies. Just do it. Think different. See what AI does. It matches your style. Examples teaches AI your taste. This is called few shot prompting. It's the difference between hobbyist and pros. Now let's discuss about the magic template. Here's a template that works for almost anything. Save this, use it forever. You are open bracket, role close bracket, task, clone what you want, context, clone, colon, background info, format, colon, output structure, example, show what good looks like, avoid what not to do. Watch this in action. Same task, basic prompt versus templated prompt. Write a tweet about Indian startups. Gets you generic mush, the templated version, night and day difference. Save this template, use it, watch your AI quality skyrockets. Now coming to the common mistakes. One, five mistakes to avoid. One, being vague. Two, not giving context. Three, asking too many things at once. Four, accepting the first answer, always iterate. Five, not specifying tone. Fix these five. Your AI quality 10 excess overnight. That's not exaggeration. That's just what happens. Log this in. Four rules: be specific, give context, define format, show examples, plus the magic template. That's prompt engineering. So coming to and the final reminder, we have a quiz on Saturday. 5 random questions from this week lessons. Top three perfect scorers win cash, 500, 300, and 200. Either UPay or an Amazon gift voucher. Subscribe to Aetherstack AI. Hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Show up next Monday for lesson 5. Inside ChatGPT, how it actually works under the hood. See you on Thursday.